Worried about who has access to your Trello board? Let's quickly show you how to remove a member, ensuring your project stays secure and your team collaboration is streamlined. First, navigate to your Trello board and locate the Show menu button. Click on it, and then select Settings. In the Settings menu, click Members. This will open the Member Management page. Now, find the member you want to remove. Next to their name, you'll see 3 dots. Click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you will see an option labeled Remove from Board. Click this option. Trello will now ask you to confirm that you want to remove the member. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Make sure you have selected the correct member before proceeding. If you're sure, click the Remove button. The member will immediately be removed from the board and will no longer have access to its contents. And that's it. You've successfully removed a member from your Trello board. Regularly reviewing and managing your board members ensures your projects stay on track and secure. Don't forget to subscribe for more Trello tips and tricks.